Determination method for setting time of cement.
Initial setting time determination. Step 1. Adjust the setting time apparatus to ensure the pointer aligns with the reference point when the test needle touches the glass plate. Step 2. Prepare paste with a normal consistency water requirement. Place it in the mold, smooth the surface, and immediately put it into a humidity curing box. The time when all cement is added to water is the starting point of the setting time. Step 3. Take the mold out of the curing box and place it under the test needle. Lower the needle to touch the paste surface. Tighten the screw for 1 to 2 seconds. Then suddenly release to let the needle sink vertically and freely into the paste. Record the pointer reading when the needle stops sinking or 30 seconds after release. Conduct the first test based on the paste hardening degree. Step 4. When approaching the initial setting, test every 5 minutes or shorter. Once the needle sinks to 4 plus or minus 1 mm from the base plate, test again immediately. The paste reaches the initial setting state when both results meet the requirement. During the test, the needle sinking position must be greater than or equal to 10 mm from the mold inner wall. The determination point for the setting state should not be within 5 mm of the mold center. The distance between adjacent test holes greater than or equal to 5 mm. Final setting time determination. Step 1. After completing the initial setting test, immediately remove the mold with the paste from the glass plate by translation. Invert it 180 degrees, large diameter upward, small diameter downward, place it on the glass plate, and return it to the humidity curing box for further curing. Step 2. Remove the initial setting needle and replace it with the final setting needle. Step 3. After an interval refer to previous experience, take the mold out of the curing box for the final setting test. The cement reaches the final setting state when the final setting needle sinks 0.5 mm into the test piece, that is, the annular attachment no longer leaves marks on the test piece, and the initial setting needle sinks no more than 1 mm on the small diameter end face of the test piece. Test again immediately to confirm. The final setting is determined only when both results meet the requirement. When approaching the final setting, test every 15 minutes or shorter. Do not let the needle fall into the original test hole each time.